Hello smart people, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to walk you through Unit 3, CFA2. Okay, there's 5 questions. Question number 1. For each relation, decide whether or not it is a function. Okay, so we talked about this in class about domain and range. And I did give you an example that domain is people. Range is places. Okay, so one person cannot be at 2 places at the same time, but 2 or more people can go to the same place at the same time. So Y going to 3, we good. S going to 4, we good. T going to -3 and D going to -3. 2 people go to the same place at the same time. It is possible if they go together. So yes, this is a function. It's possible. Relation 2. Domain, one more time, that stands for people. And range stands for place, people, and places. Okay, so U going to U is good. A going to X, yes. X going to J, and X going to N. So this is the problem already. Your X go into 2 different places. X go to J and X go to N at the same time. So that's not possible. This is the problem. Okay, X be at 2 places, so it's not a function. Even if you can teleport, you cannot be at 2 places at the same time. You can go either one place or another. If X can create clones, so which means that there's 2 different X, it's not the same X. Okay, again, one person cannot be at 2 places, or one domain cannot have 2 range, which means domain is not allowed to be repeated. Okay, so F going to cloud, J going to cloud, V going to cloud, 3 of them go to the same place. It's okay, it is a function. Number 4, we have 1 going to -1, 1 going to -8. You see that the domain, the same person going to 2 different places, is not allowed. And if we continue, this is already a problem. It's not a function already. If you continue it, you will see -4, same person but going to 3 different places. It's not allowed, so it's not a function. Okay, so domain is not allowed to be repeated. That is the narrow down of function. Okay, so now in the second graph, we're going to use the vertical line test to check the function. So if you draw a line going up and down, if they cross your blue graph 1 point every time, that will be a function, which means that none of the X are repeated. Okay, if you draw a line going up and down that cross your blue graph 1 point at a time, it is a function. So this is the example of yes, this is a function. Graph number 2 is a good example for not a function. You see, if I draw a random vertical line, they cross your circle at 2 points. Whenever they cross the blue line at 2 points, that's not a function. It's no. Number 3, if I draw a vertical line here, they cross the blue line at 1 point, so this line is good. But if I draw another vertical line here, they cross at 2 points. The blue lines be crossed at 2 points. So this is not a function. Graph 4. If I draw a vertical line, would mean a line going up and down, they cross your parabola at 1 point every time. So this is a yes, it is a function. If you draw a vertical line here, they cross the blue line at 2 points. This is a no. Over here, it's same dot line number 1, but it's different. If you draw a vertical line, they cross right here at 2 points. and they cross your blue graph right here at 2 points. So whenever they cross at 2 points, it's already a no, it's not a function. Alright, that's it for number 2. Number 3. Number 3 is just like we did earlier in the CFA1. So h of x equal to negative 5x plus 4. Basically, this h of x is the different name of y, is a different notation. To call a function in multiple different ways instead of y, you can use f of x, g of x, k of x, h of x, any letter go with x is represent y. So to make it convenient or easy to understand, I'm going to put it y equal to negative 5x plus 4. The concept is the same like earlier. You're going to plug in x by negative 4 and work it out. Negative 5 times negative 4 plus 4. Negative 5 times negative 4 is positive 20 plus 4, which is 24. So corresponding y value, or h of x when x is negative 4, is 24. Okay, we're going to do the same for the next one. So I'm going to give you maybe one more example. Okay, this time you're going to plug in 0 for x. X is 0. So that will be negative 5 times 0 plus 4. Negative 5 times 0 is 0 plus 4, which is 4. That crazy, huh? From negative 4 is 24, go down to 0 and 4. Then you continue, plug in 2, plug in 3, plug in 4, like you did in CFA1. Number 4. So then with that idea, this problem is easier. G of x is like a different language. What did G of x stand for? It stands for y. That's it. Y equal to x minus 8. So graph this. So m is the number in front of x, which is 1. 1 over 1. B is negative 8, which means we begin at negative 8. Go up 1 over 1. Up 1 over 1. Up 1 over 1. Okay. If you're not good at drawing linear equation and you didn't do CFA1, please go back to CFA1 so you have more practice, and I explain a little more in detail how do you graph number 4 if you see this that doesn't make sense to you. Okay, go back to CFA1. Alright, last one, problem 5. So now it's easy. We did this before. H of x equal to negative 1/2 x minus 4. What does h of x represent? It's basically y. Y equal to negative 1/2 minus 4. So m is negative 1/2 and b equal to negative 4. So we start at negative 4. We go down 1 and run to the right 2. Down 1 to the right 2. And that's it. Alright, so that's it for Unit 3, CFA2. Thanks everyone for watching. Good luck on your CFA. Get an A. Alright, bye guys.